Are you curious about how Palantir performed in the first quarter of 2024? You're in the right place. Palantir, a leading data analytics company, has seen some interesting developments this year. They've experienced significant revenue growth, a notable uptick in their US business, and strategic efforts to expand their overall business. The first quarter of 2024 brought a 21% increase in revenue compared to the same period the previous year, reaching $634 million. This growth was largely due to the successful implementation of their artificial intelligence platform, or AIP, which saw a whopping 68% increase in revenue in the US commercial sector. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Despite their successes, Palantir faced potential challenges, particularly in international markets. Their dependence on the US commercial and government markets could pose specific risks. Stay tuned as we dive deep into Palantir's Q1 2024 earnings call. Palantir started 2024 with a bang, reporting a significant revenue increase. Buckle up as we dive into the financials. Palantir Technologies shared an impressive 21% rise in revenue compared to the same period last year, reaching a total of $634 million. This substantial upswing can largely be attributed to their flagship artificial intelligence platform, commonly known as AIP. This platform has been a game-changer in the United States commercial sector, contributing to a striking 68% surge in revenue. Quite a feat, isn't it? The AIP platform's success lies in its ability to streamline data processing, enabling businesses to make more informed and timely decisions. Its versatility has allowed it to penetrate various industries such as healthcare, defense, and finance, to name a few. Each sector has seen notable improvements in efficiency and operational capabilities, resulting in increased profits and consequently Palantir's revenue growth. But it's not just about the technology. It's about how Palantir leverages it to address the unique needs of each client. The company's customer-centric approach, combined with its innovative platform, has resulted in strong customer relationships and high client retention rates, further fueling its revenue growth. This 21% increase in revenue is not only a testament to Palantir's innovative technology but also to its strategic business model. By focusing on creating solutions that address the evolving needs of businesses, Palantir has managed to stay ahead of the curve, maintaining its competitive edge in the market. So what does this mean for the future? Well, if the first quarter is any indication, it seems Palantir is on track for a stellar year. As the company continues to innovate and adapt to the changing market demands, there's a high likelihood that we'll see this upward trajectory in revenues continue. Palantir's revenue growth is a promising start to 2024. It reflects not only the company's ability to deliver innovative solutions but also its resilience in a highly competitive market. With such a strong start, it's exciting to imagine what the rest of the year will bring. Palantir's US business has seen a significant growth phase. One of the key drivers of this growth has been the company's contract with the US military, valued at a whopping $178 million. This contract is for the development and delivery of a ground prototype for the Tactical Intelligence Targeting Access Node, also known as Titan. Now you might be wondering, what is Titan and why is it so important? Well, Titan is a ground station system designed to receive, process, and distribute overhead persistent infrared data. It's a critical part of the military's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. What this means for Palantir is that they are now a key player in helping the US military enhance its capabilities. The company's role in this project is to deliver a ground prototype for Titan, which will significantly improve the military's ability to gather and analyze data. This contract not only represents a significant revenue stream for Palantir, but it also solidifies the company's position as a trusted partner for the US government. It's a testament to the quality and reliability of Palantir's technology and its ability to deliver on complex, high-stakes projects. Moreover, this contract has far-reaching implications for Palantir's business in the US. It enhances the company's reputation and visibility in the market, opening up potential opportunities for new contracts and partnerships. It's also an indication of the growing demand for Palantir's technology, not just in the government sector, but in the commercial sector as well. But it's not all smooth sailing. With this contract comes increased scrutiny and pressure to deliver. The stakes are high, and any missteps could have serious consequences. However, Palantir has a proven track record of delivering on its promises, and there's every reason to believe that it will rise to the challenge. This contract has definitely given Palantir a boost in the US market. It's a significant milestone for the company and a clear indication of its growing influence in the technology sector. Palantir has been strategic in its growth efforts. In a move that showcases their innovative approach to business expansion, Palantir has been deploying focused training camps. These camps are not your typical corporate retreats. They are intensive, fast-paced, and they are reshaping the way Palantir does business. These training camps serve a dual purpose. Firstly, they help to prepare the company's workforce for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. They immerse employees in the cutting-edge technologies and strategies that are central to Palantir's operations. By doing so, they ensure that Palantir's team is well-equipped to navigate the dynamic landscape of data analytics and artificial intelligence. But these training camps are about more than just employee development. They also play a crucial role in the company's sales cycle. You see, in the world of high-tech software solutions, the sales cycle can be long and complex. It often involves lengthy trial periods and intricate negotiations. But Palantir's training camps are helping to shorten that cycle. They provide potential clients with a hands-on, in-depth look at what Palantir has to offer. This allows clients to see the value of Palantir's solutions up front, which can expedite the sales process. Even more significantly, these camps facilitate the transition from trial agreements to large contracts. Once clients have had a taste of what Palantir can do, they are often eager to take the next step, and Palantir is there to guide them, with a team that's been trained to turn trial agreements into successful, long-term partnerships. These strategic efforts are indeed paying off for Palantir. They are contributing to the company's impressive revenue growth and solidifying its position as a leader in the field of data analytics and artificial intelligence. But perhaps most importantly, they are ensuring that Palantir remains at the forefront of innovation, poised to shape the future of the industry. Palantir's role in the Titan project is a major highlight. The Tactical Intelligence Targeting Access Node, or Titan, is an ambitious initiative by the US military, and Palantir has been selected to develop and deliver a ground prototype for this project. This isn't just a feather in Palantir's cap, it's a major step forward for US military intelligence. Titan is designed to enhance the military's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, and Palantir's involvement is pivotal to realizing this goal. Through Palantir's cutting-edge technologies, the US military aims to gather and process information more efficiently, ensuring a strategic edge in various operational scenarios. The project is valued at a whopping $178.4 million, reflecting the high stakes and the trust placed in Palantir's technological expertise. Palantir's contribution to Titan is a testament to its technological prowess. Palantir's long-term business strategy is centered around its AIP technology. This sophisticated artificial intelligence platform is being leveraged to transform and accelerate operations in both government and business sectors. By offering a cutting-edge solution that streamlines data analysis and decision-making, Palantir is positioning itself as an indispensable tool for organizations navigating the complexities of the digital age. The company's focus on the commercial sector is particularly notable. By deploying its AIP technology in diverse industries such as healthcare, energy, and manufacturing, Palantir is demonstrating the broad applicability of its platform. This strategic move not only diversifies its revenue streams, but also strengthens its market position. In the realm of government operations, Palantir continues to secure significant contracts, reinforcing its role as a trusted partner to the public sector. This symbiotic relationship with government entities provides a steady source of income and opportunities for further growth. Palantir's long-term strategy seems to be a key driver for its growth. Despite these highlights, Palantir faces potential challenges. One of the significant hurdles lies in their dependence on the US commercial and government markets. While these sectors have been lucrative for the company, over-reliance on them could prove risky. The US market is highly competitive, and any significant shifts in policy or the competitive landscape could impact Palantir's revenue streams. Moreover, the international market presents its own set of hurdles. Each international market comes with unique regulations, cultural nuances, and competitive dynamics. Successfully navigating these markets requires a deep understanding of local context, which can be a complex and time-consuming process. Furthermore, these markets may not be as receptive to Palantir's offerings as the US market, posing additional risks. Overcoming these challenges will require strategic planning, robust risk management, and continuous innovation. These challenges are important considerations for Palantir's future. So, that's a wrap on Palantir's Q1 2024 earnings call. We've taken a deep dive into its significant revenue growth, driven by a 21% increase compared to the same period last year, largely due to the application of their artificial intelligence platform in the U.S. commercial sector. We've also looked at Palantir's steady growth in the U.S., especially following a $178 million contract with the U.S. military under the Titan program. We've discussed Palantir's strategic business growth efforts, including intensive training camps that significantly shorten transaction cycles. We've also touched on Palantir's long-term business strategy, focusing on leveraging their AIP technology to transform and accelerate business and government operations. However, we've also noted potential challenges, particularly in international markets and an over-reliance on the U.S. commercial and government markets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time.